Ayan. I hope this will work. Ayan. Kanina ko pa inaayos. Di ko maayos-ayos. But, yeah. This is a day with your GPA. Start a new project. It's called PPC Ad Lab. Bali, naglalagay ako ng mga advertisement sa isang app. It's called ppcadlab.com. This is like parang 1,000 na cities all throughout the United States. Yan, yun yung project ko today. Because it's a, as a general virtual assistant, kung minsan nakaka-burn out, no, yung task na paulit-ulit. But it's okay, kapag naman nakikita mo na maganda yung company and you get paid well, then parang it's all worth it, no? It's all worth it. So yeah, for me it's like every day is a new day. Always pray for my employer or client. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, merong mga hanger doon kahapon dahil na-boring ako. Nagsawa ako sa ginagawa ko, so I stopped and then nagplancha ako. Kaya meron ding kabayo dito. Ayan. So, may kabayo dito. So, dito ako naman plancha para sa ganun hindi masyadong mainit dahil nga mainit ang pamamalansya, no? So, then okay, ito at the same time I have my brunch in front of my computer na kasi kumbaga minsan kasi hindi naman ako nagbe-breakfast it's just coffee and then water and then a small piece of bread, parang ganun lang. Yan. So today dahil meron kaming natirang lasagna, so nireheat ni husband ko and then binigyan niya ako ng I always drink cranberry juice every day. Yan. So, ice cold cranberry juice. Yan. It's good for women. Yan. So, now, I'm working on this project. Okay. Ang isang bagay na maganda, no, sa pagiging isang VA, maliban dun sa work from home siya, is nagagawa mo pa rin yung mga household chores, no, na gusto mong gawin, yung pagluluto at the same time, no, which is good. So, yun, hindi ko makita, nakaharang yan. Sorry kailangan ko siyang tabi yung camera. Ayan, dyan na lang. Yun, nakikita nyo yung worksheet na tinatrabaho ko right now. Okay, so those are mga tawag dito, research that I did for the company where I'm working right now. And yan. Yung aking camera ay ayaw makasama. I think I have to buy a new tripod. Hindi talaga ako tumatama sa tripod. Yan. Baka bibili ako ng mas ibay na tripod. Kasi kanina pa siya nahuhulog. Dapat marami na ako. So, as a VA, ang isang siguro ang isang technique or isang tips na masasabi ko sa mga aspiring virtual assistants dyan is kapag merong binigay na project sa inyo, make sure, kasi normally naman yan may mga instructions yan. So, go through the instructions several times. Basahin niyo siya. Like in my case, dito sa project na to, ito siya, saan ko si Mike? Ayan. So, there is a series of instruction which he mentioned dun sa email niya sa akin. So, ang haba-haba ng instruction, no, with matching mga graphics or mga screenshots, and then isi-circle niya kung saan, and then he will explain, halimbawa, step number 1, itong gagawin mo, ito yung screenshots. Although he knows na mabilis akong maka-adapt, pero benefit of the doubt, so he make sure na walang kulang, no? Kasi alam niya na pag minsan, pag hindi ako sure, talagang marami akong tinatanong, and para siguro hindi na ako magtanong, so he will take screenshots of everything that he's doing. And so, for me, it helps a lot, no? That's why when I do the coaching for aspiring virtual assistants, I always tell them na the most important thing in becoming a VA, no, is learning how to follow instructions, and that's the basic, no, requirement. And once you learn how to follow instructions, sequence of instructions, communication is very important between you and your client. Kasi nga, hindi kayo nakikita eh. Kami nga, hindi kami masyadong nag-video conferencing, no? Most of the time, what they do is, dahil nga I work on my own time, no? Hindi nila ako nire-require na mag-work habang sila ay gising. Although when I was in America, I followed syempre, nasa time zone ako ng America. So, nagkakatugma yung time namin kasi I was, naikot ako sa 10 states in the United States. I was in Tennessee, I was in Missouri, I was in Ohio. So, nag-tour talaga ako. But at the same time, I'm working. Habang nagda-drive si husband ko, nag-work ako because we bought a T-Mobile na para siyang mobile Wi-Fi. No? Ang kagandahan kasi sa Amerika, kahit naka-mobile Wi-Fi ka lang, dahil malakas ang kanilang malakas ang mga connections nila. Kahit nasa taas kami ng bundok in Mount Signal in Tennessee, malakas ang reception, malakas ang internet. So, hindi ako nagkaroon ng problema doon. And then, the good thing in being a general virtual assistant is you have several projects that lasts longer, no? And siguro dahil ang client ko, they just want to train one virtual assistant and then bahala na siya. Yun ang nangyari. That's why this coming 2 days from now, I'll be 10 years with them. And it's so good, no? One is because they are Christian din. So when there are things na kailangan kong kasi dahil one day ahead tayo sa kanila, although I only work from Monday to Friday, and then kung minsan pag may event, halimbawa Friday natuon yon, which is Thursday sa kanila, magpapaalam ako and I will say na meron pong event sa church, ganyan-ganyan, and they will allow me, no? They will say, oh, Jen, God first. So that's what I do, and I'm so blessed to have them, no, as my client for 10 years. And then also what they normally do din na isang bagay pa is they send me video tutorials kasi I do 2 things, no? I do admin support, actually lahat in their company. The company grew up with me, lumaki yung company with me as their VA. They used to have only one client before, and then after a certain period ng mga research na binibigay nila sa akin, Jenny, do a research for this and that. So, right now, as far as I can remember, we have like 100,000 leads all throughout the United States, no? Kinompile ko nga sila nung isang araw and I was like, wow, Lord, ito yung ni-research ko for the entire duration ng aking pagiging sa kanila, ng aking pagiging VA sa kanila. And then I also do this analysis, estimates, no, whatever they ask me to do, I just do, you know. So one of the things also that is good in becoming in a general virtual assistant is that marami kang natututunan, no. Some they prefer to have their own niche, but you know, there's a certain limit. Kapag meron ka lang isa o dalawang niche, so may limitation sa knowledge. But for me, it's like I prefer to be general virtual assistant siguro dahil nasanay din ako na I jump from one department to another in different companies that I work with for 32 years of my working career. I love what I do. That's the most important thing, that you love what I do. You love what you do, and every day I wake up thanking God for the knowledge and the wisdom that He has given me, and of course sa opportunity na binigay niya sa akin. That's why I landed this job. So eto, nakikita niyo po sa inyong screen that this is a small office na pinagawa ng aking husband. It's the extension of our kitchen. Pinasaral niya during the pandemic. Nagpagawa kami ng isang maliit na kwarto. It's sealed. And then nilagyan niya ng aircon kasi ayaw niya na ipinitan ng kanyang wifey. Alright? Asa na ba yung aircon? Yun yung aircon. And then also, I have a sofa bed here. Minsan kapag medyo tinatamad na akong makit sa taas, mag-iidlip ako dito. And then I also have those things, no, that is for my self-care, no, na mga items. Yeah. And then this is where also I spend quality time with the Lord, no. Minsan kapag nainip ako, talaga nagbe-video okay ako mag-isa. Okay. So fully equipped, sabi ko nga, ang aking small office. And then nandito din ang aking syempre guard dog. Saan na siya? Ayan yung aking guard dog. Makikita nyo, ayan. Nagkalat na naman siya. So ayun pa yung mga paplansyahin ko mamaya. Ayan yung aking guard dog. Bait-bait na kunwari. Oo, pero yung aking medyas pinagahagis na kung nasaan. Yeah. So, yeah. Isang ano pa is that when you want to have this kind of job, make sure na meron kang isang location sa inyong bahay na dedicated lang as your work area. Kailangan ma-feel mo na meron kang parang dati kasi ako, wala akong work area. So, kumbaga parang sabog din ang isip ko. Nandun lang ako sa may dining area. Doon ako nag-work. Bukod sa pag may kumakatok, kailangan pupuntahan ko. And then, you know, so, pagdating sa, sa result or pagdating sa quality ng work, hindi siya ganoon tawag dito parang naganda. Okay, so what I decided and I told my husband, sabi ko, honey, I have to have a place wherein I will really feel that I'm working so I can focus kasi kailangan din ng focus when you are a GBA. Pag nakafocus ako, walang disruption, sabi ko, I can produce more results. And of course, I owe my, parang yung time to my client. Kasi inoorasan ako sa aking mga work. And then the work has to be in line with the result. The result and the time. Kailangan, yan, balance yan. Pwede nag-work ka ng 10 hours tapos yung result na in-produce mo nasa 20 lang, parang imposible. Yan, ganun. So, although I was able already to develop trust between me and my client, so kung minsan pag sinabi nilang, Jenny, we need you to do this project, it's a one-man project, minsan magpapakitang gilas ako. Ginagawa ko lang siya for 3 weeks. Tapos sasabihin ko, sir, this project will not last for 1 month. I think I'm gonna be able to finish it in the next 2 days. So anyway, any task after that, yung parang ina-advance ko na, kaya natutuwa sila sa akin. Kaya nga sabi nila, dun sa mga ibang ano nila sa akin, reviews nila, kasi every year they give me a review kung saan ako my strength and weaknesses, areas that I need to develop more. So palagi naman nilang sinasabi na of course, as expected, you exceeded our expectations, you know, and then you know, that's how I work because I love it. And so dito ako nagpapabibo. Ayan, maganda magpabibo, lalo na pag mababait ang mga mababait ang mga client mo. And even if, you know, hindi sila ganoon kabait, pero if you love your job, and then they will see that kasi makamanifest naman and then they will really appreciate. They will appreciate you for. At saka, hindi ka nila basta-basta mapapalitan. You will become irreplaceable. Yeah. So, also, another thing is I always keep a mirror sa harap ko kasi dahil nga wala akong kausap araw-araw, computer lang ang harap ko, lagi akong may mirror at niningitian ko yung sarili ko every time. No? That makes me look younger. Dami nga nagsasabi nila, that work from home, pero parang tumatanda itsura, bakit hindi ka tumatanda itsura? Sabi ko, I always love to see myself in the mirror smiling. And then sometimes kapag merong worship song na narinig ako, I just smile to the Lord and say, Lord, you're so good. You're so good to me and to everybody. No? I think yun yung mga bagay na being thankful every day is another what we call this, parang another way wherein you are going to be looking younger, no? Kapag mapagpasalamat kang tao, hindi ka tatanda kasi thankful ka no? And what your heart is full of, the mouth speaks. So if your heart is full of love and full of thankfulness, then the mouth will come out automatically. So God is so good. God is so faithful and loving, no? And His loving kindness endures forever. Kaya I love it when people tell me na parang, hello, kumusta ka? You know, I always tell the truth. God is so good. God is great in my life and in the life of everybody. Yan. So much for the day of JBA. Yan. For today, next ano na naman. God bless you all.